Hello, I am Roddran Grimes, and I'm going to show you how a Mimio works on a plain whiteboard. And what a Mimio does is it turns the plain whiteboard into an interactive whiteboard. So I am going to first show you how to calibrate the whiteboard with the Mimio toolbar. So I have my instructions here. The Mimio website gives a lot of information on the functionality of the Mimio, and I have here a little job aid to help understand its functionality. So first of all, I have my Mimio bar placed on my whiteboard, and it needs to be 2 handprints away from the image on the screen. And to calibrate my Mimio, there is a button on the bottom that I press, and I have to press the circles so that the Mimio knows the width of the screen. And now my Mimio is ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull up, in essence, a blank sheet of paper. So I have that located already on my laptop. And this is in essence what the Mimio notebook shows. And I have my Mimio toolbar already on the screen. And this gives me all of my commands that I would need, in addition to the normal toolbar icons that appear in a Windows computer. So I'm just going to show you how to write on the blank sheet of paper. So I'm going to press on my tool, my pen, and it gives me the options of colors. I can do blue, I can do red and black. So I'm going to do red, and I'm going to write my name. I can set the how thick or thin the size of the pen image is, so I can do the same thing. And if I don't like what I have, I can have my eraser icon and just erase it and start again. I also have here applications that I can use, such as a calculator, and pressing on it just like I would any other Windows-based tool. I have also magnify. I can record what's happening on the screen, reveal, and I actually even have a web browser, which I'm going to show later in this demonstration. Mimio also comes with, on the Mimio website, mimio.com, it has lessons for teachers that other teachers have created, so that if a teacher wants to have a lesson on reading or math, they can go there for help in that respect. There are templates in the gallery. I'm going to get rid of this. And it's going to open up a browser, and I have images. So for example, as a reading teacher, I can look at phonics lessons and bring those in expand it out, and then get rid of it. I can do vocabulary. These are prepackaged again. Bring it out, get rid of it, so that students can come to the board, work with the words, that kind of thing. Now, I am going to show you how to open up a web page via the Mimio. First of all, I have here on the icon an option for web browser. And I have a really, really slow laptop, but it's opening up. And students would really love this because they are able to go. Now I'm going to close this out. And just as with any other web page, click on the icons, click on the buttons, excuse me, and expand it. And that's my home page. I'm going to click on a drop down, and I want to go to edheads.com, which is here. And we are doing a weather unit right now. So I'm going to go to weather. And this is where the fun part happens for students. For example, in my lesson, I'm going to have teams of students and see who can complete the activity the fastest. So I'm going to click to start. So they're going to come to the board. They'll hear everything that's happening, of course. They're going to have the pen. I'm going to ask them to report the weather, that activity. They're going to start on level 1. Start it. They're going to read, because it is a reading class. Read what it says, which this particular one says a high pressure system will be moving over Cleveland this afternoon. And so they will go click on high pressure, put it over Cleveland. The sky over Cleveland is clear and sunny. Find clear and sunny, find sunny. Move it there. The temperature in Cleveland is 11 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to move this up to 11 degrees. And again, trying to use my left hand to get it precisely where it needs to be. Trying not to block it, but I have to use my right hand to be more precise. There we go. Create temperature, etc. So that's how the teams that do this in the fastest amount of time will win. And this will be very interactive for the students. They love competition. They get to work the board. And Mimio allows for the session to be recorded and saved for future use. Thank you for viewing this lesson on the Mimio, and I'm really glad that my school has this tool. Again, thank you.